Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am back with another video, and we are going to be talking about some new products that are available on Printful. I was uploading earlier today, and I was like, oh, they have some new shirts, and then I did see an email about this mug. But let's go together and explore some things that you may not have known that was available on Printful. So as soon as you come onto the back office of their product catalog, you see that they do have a new and unique mug. I like to call these camp mugs. I am going to open this up, but you also know that they are selling washable face masks. I did order a pack for myself. I used the heat press machine on one, and then the others I just kind of used daily. But I did see some new shirts in the back office with just, t-shirts. So let's check that out and let's see the specs about these shirts and the brand. So we have a men's heavyweight tee here. It does not say who, but it has a tearaway label, and it's available in Europe. So that's not in the US. They also have a men's staple t-shirt by AS Color. It's in Europe and Australia, and they only have like the basic colors. So that's something different. New, they have the Champion Performance Tee, which is available in the US. They have a sports jersey that's available in the US as well. And I think that's the only new things available under t-shirts. So let's go back. I did see this, what is it, a windbreaker pullover fleece. I did see that recently, and you can get that embroidered. I think that's really something good that you all should think about for the fall in your business. But we're just kind of going, through some of the links to see what they have. So that's the men's. Let's go ahead and close this one up. Go back to the main products. And let's check out women's clothing. Let's check out all t-shirts. See if they have any new women t-shirts. So they finally have the t-shirt dress. I am so excited about this, but it's only in Europe, but it ships worldwide. But know that it will take a while, and this is the launch price. I'm definitely going to order me a sample just to see how it fits, because I'm a thick chick and it goes up to extra large, so that might be a problem, honey. We love to wear a t-shirt dress, okay? I'm gonna need them to get it together. So far that's all I see with the t-shirt dress. And sometimes they send out emails, but they don't always send out the email, so it's always good to every now and then kind of just check through and see what's available here in the back office in Printful, just to see if you're missing out on something new that you can just get started with selling. So we're going to check out the kids and see if there's anything new here. It's always stuff coming up, but we just have the normal stuff here. I did see this little jacket. I don't know if I've okay, well, it's not there anymore. So couldn't find the product. The bibs and the onesies, the bodysuits. This looks a little new, but probably not 100% new, with the kids swimwear. So that's youth all over swimwear. Let's go back to the products and let's see if there's anything new in hats. If there's any new styles. I think they already had the bucket hat, if I'm not mistaken. Do they have a bucket hat? Let's see. Yep, they do. They already had a bucket hat, so nothing new there. So let's go back. And we're going to check out accessories. And of course, they still have, some of the important things. The face mask is probably one of the most important things that was recently new, but the phone cases have been there. I can't remember if I remember seeing these flip-flops, but they're sublimation flip-flops. They've probably been there for a while, probably just ain't paying them no attention. So we have home and living. So I think the blankets have been there as well. The aprons, I know for a fact, have been there. Beach towers. I did remember when the bean bags came out not too long ago. So nothing completely new there. I guess it's probably easier to get, things done like that over time. But, oh, they had a whole collection of new products, huh? So let's see. So they have, biodegradable phone case, enamel mug. That's what they call it, even though I wanted to call it something else. A snapback trucker hat, youth baseball cap. See, we could just skip all that stuff. Unisex skinny joggers. So I did order the other joggers and they were black. And I started wearing them a lot. And they really get that, once you wash something and it was started to be real picky on the inner thighs from the rubbing together. So I did not want to sell those, but I may try the skinny unisex joggers out. And then they have these all over print boxer briefs. Nice. Okay, I see y'all, Printful. Let's see what else is in this collection. Sportswear. I think this collection has been there. The yoga leggings, racerback top, tote woman's crop sweatshirt, athletic long shorts, then embroidered jacket. So a lot of this stuff has been here, but it does not, we can always go check that stuff out. Workwear. I love how they set the collections up. Fulfill in Spain, gifts, and other items like that. I do remember, if I'm not mistaken, that they were doing pins. I feel like they were doing enamel pins. Like they were setting it up for you. If I can find the email, I'll make sure I bring it up. But yeah, that is just some new stuff. And I'm trying to look at it as we go through it. But I do remember seeing something about enamel pins with them. But I have to, find it and see if that was for real, and how long did that last. But I hope you guys can, find a few new products here on Printful just to make your life a little bit easier. I'm definitely going to be checking out that t-shirt dress and those skinny joggers, and I'll definitely come back with an unboxing to let you know how those items worked out for me. And until next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.